to the second 6 weeks and the new just-in-time learning. I hope you're enjoying being in Canvas and listening to this new thing that we're doing with you. One of the things I wanted to show you for this first just-in-time is the revised Norma Jackson resource page that we did for you last year. We have revised it and made it hopefully a little bit easier for you to use. So I wanted to explain how to use it so you would use it in your planning for learning. You will find this new document in Eduphora New and Yearly Content under the Norma Jackson Resources page. So let's just take a look at it. I'm going to make it a little smaller for you so you can see it. Here is the page that you normally see, but just a little bit different. What we've done is we've taken each resource and we've broken it down into the components of each of the resources. We've given you the standard that it correlates to. Then once again we have English, and then we have Spanish, and then this time when it's introduced, is it new to this particular grade level? Is it a review from last year that they learned something they should have learned? And then if it is extended, maybe it is something that's more complex or sophisticated application of what they've learned in the past. So that's kind of the way you read this document. We no longer have the X's where you hyperlink it to, but it is a document that is hyperlinked. And so let me show you how you would navigate the best way for this. So you see that you have your scroll bars here, but over here, what you're wanting to do is you see these little icons. You want to hover over this bookmark and click on it. Once you do that, you're going to see all the table of contents coming into here to show you all the documents that are in this particular document. So when you want to navigate to something, you're going to use this navigation bar. So you look over here and see basically kind of where they are. So let's just think that I just might want to use the close reading. And so I'm just going to kind of scroll over here, use this scroll bar. And then when I click here, it's going to take me to the close reading tips that we did earlier with you in this year in that first professional development, which will be very helpful to you in planning your close reading this lessons this 6 weeks. So another way, the way that you get to the top is you come over here to this particular scroll bar and put it back up here at the top to see your table of contents. So it's really, I hope it's a better way for you to navigate through the pieces. You will see that there is a box here with a minus sign in it. If this is too much for you, you just want to see, you can click those windows in the tree, and then it goes down just a little bit. And then you can open back up, and then you can see all the pieces that we have for you. So let's pretend that I would like to I want to see, let's take a look. Let's see, I would really like to do what is a movie or document. Now I'll tell you, I'm going to show you a new thing that's in here. It's not new to you because Norma has introduced it to you. We've talked about using the spelling dictionary. This is now in your document. So here is, if you want to do this document with your students, you would come in and use the tree, find the spelling document that you want, and then actually print this one document. So you don't necessarily have to print all the documents. Remember that you're going to save this to your desktop and use it. But I'm real excited about that. We also have it in Spanish for those in SLAR. So you can see as you scroll down, we tried to include almost every single thing that we have put into the curriculum for you. I love how when you're looking at the stop anchor routine, if you just want to go to the lesson, you can click on the lesson and you just get the lesson. If you're thinking, I just need the poster to print off, you go to the poster and print it off. So I think that you're going to really like what this does for you. It kind of helps get your planning time better organized. But remember to go back to the top, you have to use this scroll bar over here. So in your planning for learning, I hope that you would use this and it will help you to use the resources and to make use of all the wonderful resources that are right at your fingertips. So I hope that you'll leave a comment to tell us what you like about it, or maybe something that you have used in, if it eased in your planning time. So happy 6 weeks, and go forth and do a good job.